You're under arrest for theft. You are under arrest for
She
theft.
didn't walk out the door.
I didn't walk out that door.
You need to back up because
She's pregnant.
She didn't leave.
I didn't even go nowhere. Okay, can you? Okay.
It's not up for debate.
Oh, I'm pregnant. Get off of me.
Well, you gotta stop fighting, okay?
On May 24th, 2023, officers responded to a Walmart where a mother and her pregnant daughter were caught skip scanning at the self-checkout, stealing over $500 in merchandise. Skip scanning is a method of self-checkout theft where the shoplifter scans a low-cost item, in this case, Kool-Aid packets, in place of the actual higher-priced merchandise, bypassing the register entirely.
Yes.
Like what?
You're ringing stuff up as Kool-Aid packets, and then you ring up a tank top for the shirt.
I'm gonna hang on to your purse for you.
No, you're not going to touch my purse. And you can keep that.
They're doing not cooperative. You're under arrest for
No,
theft. You are under arrest for
She
theft.
didn't walk out the door.
I didn't walk out that door.
Do not move. You are under arrest. You are under arrest. Do not move.
Oh!
You trying to take me in my privy?
Yes.
Okay, here. I'll take it.
Just follow. Go with them. Go with them. I need you to come here. Place your hands behind your back.
I'm not going to jail.
I didn't say you're going to jail. I said you're under arrest.
No, that's.
Sir, you cannot
Do not
touch
make
me.
this. I can't. You are under arrest.
I did not go nowhere. I did not even go nowhere. What is wrong with you? Get your hands off of me. Okay, get your hands off of me.
Get off her.
You're hurting me.
Get off of her.
You're hurting
Get
me.
off of her.
You need to back up.
You need to back up because
She's
she didn't.
pregnant.
She didn't leave.
I didn't even go nowhere.
I'm not messing with
She didn't leave the door, so therefore you can't grab her.
Okay, can you let me go?
Let go.
No, I cannot. I
Okay.
need to
Yes, you
understand. You are
can.
under arrest.
No,
For
she's
what?
not under arrest. She didn't leave out the
I didn't
door.
even go nowhere.
Watch out. Get off her.
Okay, can you just let me go?
The
No, I
fuck?
cannot.
Okay, I will do what you asked. This is my daughter. Can you stop, please?
I need her to leave me alone.
Stop. Okay, Hyra, stop.
No.
Hyra, stop. Okay, she's pregnant. Please let me go, and I will calm down. Stop. Why are you squeezing my arm? Get my phone and record this.
No. He
is
can't do
being
nothing.
recorded.
He didn't. You just walk out the door.
Okay.
Get
What are
off
you doing? I'm not even doing nothing.
Get off of her. She
I'm
didn't
not-
go out the door, so it's
I'm not even
lost
doing
possession.
nothing.
Let her go.
I'm not even doing
You have
nothing.
your item, so you have to let her go.
She is pregnant.
Okay,
You
real
guys
simple.
are
You
not-
guys are under arrest.
No,
You're
you
not
guys
in charge
are not
for
under
theft.
arrest.
Put your hands in front of you.
No.
You're going
Okay,
to place your handcuffs.
Okay, can you? Okay.
It's not up for debate.
Touch me. Get
It's
off.
not up for debate.
Bro, get the fuck. Get the fuck
Then
out.
stop resisting.
Get off of me, bro.
Stop resisting. Put your hands in
Move.
front of me.
Let me call
I'm
Get
offering to
off of me.
handcuff you. Do not interfere with me.
Off of me.
Stop it.
Get off of me.
I'm trying to not hurt you. You are under arrest. You are not in charge of this.
Move. Get the fuck off of me. Get off. Get off of me. Get the fuck. No, get off.
What?
No, I'm pregnant. Get off of me.
Well, you gotta stop fighting, okay?
Okay, get off of me.
All right, stand up. Stand up for me. Put your hands on your back, okay? Put your hands on your back. Yeah.
Get off of me. I didn't do that.
got
Get the fuck off of me.
Help them. You got her? Yep.
No, move. Get off of me. I didn't do nothing. Get the fuck off of me.
You're under arrest. Let's go.
Move. Get off of me. I didn't do nothing. Get the fuck off of me.
Don't touch me.
Three. Yes.
You didn't have to do that.
And you ain't have to hit her.
You
with
was
the
twice
elbow.
her age,
Her
man. You
elbow.
ain't have to
I
do
seen
that.
everything, and I recorded it. Black people don't got no rights.
Okay.
pull this leg in.
Yes, can I just want to make sure my daughter's all right.
Well, your daughter's out there. She's fine.
walking out.
Okay.
You would have just
Okay.
I mean, you shouldn't have did all that. She was pregnant.
Okay, she's still resisting.
No, she's not resisting. She was just saying,
Put your leg up.
oh my God.
Well, take it slow.
got everything. Shoot it.
Okay.
That's her card.
I think her receipt's in her bag.
You can leave. Like,
Yeah, 524, 456.
So I'm going to take it.
No, we'll bring it out.
Thank you.
We're good.
Are you going to arrest me?
Any type of question?
So like, go to
Do you understand your rights? You understand your rights?
Okay, I got a phone.
Yes, you're under arrest for theft. Okay? It doesn't matter if you haven't left the store. Once you pass the last point of sale,
I didn't pass nothing.
okay, well, they have enough to
Consider
you're under
once you
arrest.
conceal an item, it is theft, whether you are in the store or not.
Okay, but
All right, we're not having court out here. Just go.
Okay.
Yes, you are going to have a seat.
No.
Okay. This is my pastor. You want to know what's going on? You just want me to ask what's going on, that's all.
They're under arrest for theft.
Stealing, they didn't want to be detained for stealing, they resisted arrest.
They were stealing?
Yep.
Okay, let me let you, this is the pastor. I don't forget about
That's
he didn't
They were caught
ask
going
me.
with stealing, they were
Okay.
approached by it, started the scene, didn't want to be placed under arrest for it, and that's where we're at now.
Okay. Let me just let him know.
State,
Hey,
not
pastor.
local.
Pastor.
I might not have that.
Okay, hold on. What did you say? What?
They were placed under arrest. They were stealing, they didn't want to be detained for the theft, they resisted arrest, now they're both going to the county jail. Correct. Correct. And Officer Ortega.
The county, right?
Yep, that's right. What's your name, young lady?
my name is Sahar. See my ID. I watched you look through the whole purse. There's nothing in there. I didn't steal nothing. You didn't see me walk out with nothing.
Okay. So you're under arrest right now. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney. If you're not affording an attorney, the courts will appoint one to you. You have the right to stop answering questions anytime you talk to an attorney. You also have the right to stop answering questions at any time. You understand what your rights are? Okay.
Under Ohio Revised Code Section 291302, theft is complete the moment a person knowingly obtains control over property with the purpose to deprive the owner. Exiting the store is not a legal requirement. The mother argued she had not walked out the door. This is legally irrelevant. Courts have consistently held that deliberate failure to scan items at a self-checkout terminal demonstrates sufficient intent to deprive. Because the total exceeded $500, the charge elevates from a misdemeanor to a felony of the 5th degree under Ohio law, carrying up to 12 months of incarceration and significant fines. Both suspects physically resisted. Under Graham v. Connor, decided in 1989, the reasonableness of force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with hindsight. The officer moved through the use of force continuum, appropriately escalating from verbal commands to empty hand control. No weapons were drawn, and no less lethal tools were deployed. The force was proportional throughout. Under Ohio Revised Code Section 292133, resisting arrest by force is a misdemeanor of the 2nd degree. If physical harm results, it is elevated to a misdemeanor of the 1st degree. The daughter physically intervened in her mother's arrest. This constitutes obstruction of justice, a separate criminal offense. The belief that an arrest is unlawful does not authorize physical interference. She repeatedly claimed to be pregnant. While this does impose a heightened duty of care during physical control, it provides no legal immunity from arrest and does not excuse sustained active resistance. Under Ohio Revised Code Section 292136, bringing any prohibited item into a detention facility is a felony of the 3rd degree. The officer documented this conveyance warning on body camera. A complete Miranda advisement was delivered following Miranda v. Arizona of 1966, including all 4 required elements. Both timing and content met the constitutional standard without deficiency. Bystanders recorded the encounter. Under the First Amendment, citizens have the right to record officers performing duties in public. The officer did not interfere with any recording, which is the correct response.
Never happens that way for us, unfortunately.
Yes.
No idea. What's the duty on here?
I broke my hand. All right. I don't have a cast on anymore. That's all she paid.
All right. Third coming.
What's that?
Third coming here. She's pregnant. She's hurting. They're gonna go behind the building so that it's not out front.
Less going on.
I just don't want a bunch of. I don't need the crowd coming out there and cause harassment out there too. You know.
Yep.
So this is the stuff they get paid for.
Yeah.
I don't know if they're. I'm assuming they're gonna go to jail, but whatever. We'll just put them.
Completely up to you because I don't give a fuck if they don't get their money back.
I don't know if there is.
Not my problem.
I'll just take it. We'll give them an opportunity to call somebody to pick up their groceries if they want.
Okay.
Come on out, ma'am. You need some help?
Yeah.
All right. It's going to be a little easier if you can lean back a little bit and get that other leg out.
Okay.
There you go. All right. Now we can scooch forward. Now you can press against the frame. There you go. Scoot yourself
Oh,
forward.
I can't. I honestly can't. Woo. Hold on. Oh, shoot.
All right. Let me do this.
Try to take me out
Yep.
like that?
You ready?
Yep.
Watch your head. Watch your head. Watch your head. There you go. Scoot, 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 scoot. There you go. There you go.
Can I tell you something?
What's up?
I would have, even though I was as mad as I would have never took care of that warrant.
I believe it.
Because I actually forgot about it. And you said,
If you don't get bond posted tonight, you'll see a judge in the morning.
you okay? Where's your purse?
It's up front with me. I'm going to get your purse and stuff now.
He said my phone is on the...
Yep, I'll get it all. Watch your foot, please. Hey, real quick, while I got both of you here, I want to say this now so I don't forget later, okay? Now, understand that what I'm about to say, I tell every person that I take to the county jail. It is not a personal thing. It is not an accusation. It is a statement, okay? If you have anything on you, any drugs, any paraphernalia, or any weapons, right now is your time to tell me. The lighter doesn't count as paraphernalia.
Oh.
Right? Including marijuana. If you got any,
Oh, no, I don't.
Right. I'm
got
not
you.
making a judgment. I'm making a statement, right? That
I think I got...
once we get to the county jail, it doesn't matter what it is, right? Your lighter is not irrelevant.
Okay, do you want to put my keys in my...
I'll check here in just a second.
Okay.
But if you have any, pipes, any papers, anything like that, any drugs, once we get in the county jail, it doesn't matter what it is, it becomes a felony 3 for conveyance. So right now, we can deal with it, on possibly like a lower misdemeanor level, depending on what it is. All right? But again, it's not a judgment, it's a statement that I make to every person I take to the county jail. So when we get in there, it's like, I had dope stuffed up in me. I didn't know. You did know because I gave you the opportunity. I have made the statement. Cruiser camera's recording, my body camera's recording, right? Okay. There's no denying that that people were given this warning.
Right.
Are you worried about something?
What's wrong?
Just about being in the back of the car.
The arresting officer receives a B+. The arrest was legally justified, force was proportional, Miranda was complete, and the conveyance warning was documented. Communication sequencing was the only area for improvement. The mother receives a D+. She initiated the theft-resisted arrest based on an incorrect understanding of the law and encouraged her daughter to physically intervene. Eventual compliance is her only mitigation. The daughter receives a D. She participated in the theft, physically obstructed her mother's arrest, sustained active resistance, and used her pregnancy as a tactical shield rather than a genuine accommodation request. Lesson 1. Shoplifting is complete upon concealment or deliberate failure to scan. You do not need to leave the store to be charged. The law is clear, and courts have upheld this standard consistently. Lesson 2. Resisting a lawful arrest only adds charges. The courtroom is the place to challenge an arrest, never the scene. Physical resistance guarantees additional penalties and increases risk of injury. Lesson 3. The conveyance warning exists for a reason. A simple possession charge becomes a third-degree felony the moment you cross the threshold of a detention facility. Always disclose when given the chance. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe for more police interaction and legal analysis content.